Sorry about that, guys. I had an alarm that went off. And yeah. Okay, so we're going to wrap this up by, in conclusion, okay, I need you to write down 5 things that a raw vegan would think, or a raw vegan would think about. Okay? First of all, number 1, a raw vegan would say to themselves, wow, it is so easy to be raw. Number 2, a raw vegan would say to themselves, what can I eat? Instead of constantly thinking about what you can't eat, I want you to think about what you can eat. Okay, sure, you can't eat jelly donuts, but can you eat motherfucking figs? Okay, sure, you can't eat Twix anymore, but can you have dates with almond butter inside? I need you to start seeing the things that you can eat that are also healthy. Can you make smoothies? Can you make ice cream? Can you make anything that you absolutely love that doesn't even feel like it's healthy? That feels like it's like illegal, you know? I need you to focus on the things you can eat. Okay, what would a raw vegan say? A raw vegan, before they go out to eat somewhere, they're going to prepare themselves and they're going to say to themselves, okay, what will I be able to eat when I go to this restaurant? Let me look up the restaurant, blah, blah, blah. Let me look up the restaurant menu. Okay, let me look up, is there fruit stores where I'm going? Okay, let me bring my own fruit. Let me eat before I go. A raw vegan's going to be thinking about these things and preparing. Remember, you are not going to be raw until you start thinking like a raw vegan. Okay, so what are some things? Write them down below. What are some things that raw vegans think about? Some of y'all are trying to be raw, and all you're thinking about is, I hope I don't get a deficiency. I hope I don't ruin my health by eating the healthiest food on the planet. Because, you know, the raw food diet is the only diet. I have to throw some of this stuff away. Hold on. The raw food diet is the only diet that you eat the healthiest food on earth, but you're afraid that you're going to become unhealthy. Literally. Why? Because humans have no fucking idea. No idea what they're doing. We have no idea how to eat. We have no idea how to think. We have no idea how to do anything. We're so far removed from nature and our ancestors. We're so far removed that we think that cooking is like a totally normal part of being human. No, cooking is only supposed to be done when you're surviving, when you're in survival mode, not when you are a millionaire, not when you have, well, I'm not saying a lot of you guys are millionaires, but like, what millionaire do you know that's raw? Not when you're living a life of abundance like you are. If you have a job and if you're watching this on YouTube, then you have abundance. You have ridiculous abundance and you can afford to be raw easily. In fact, it'll save you money because you won't be going to the motherfucking ENTs and fucking specialists and getting all these goddamn x-rays and prescriptions and all this crap. Okay? You can't afford not to be raw. All right? But listen, the most important thing is you evaluate your thoughts and you evaluate what is holding you back. What are the self-sabotaging behaviors that are coming from your thoughts that are holding you back? I love you, my boo. It starts in the mind. If you're interested in working with me, okay, this is a bit of a mess, but we're almost done. And then we have a whole nother jackfruit to do. Okay. So yeah, crazy, right? If you're interested in working with me one-on-one, I am doing a food addiction freedom course, a 6-week course starting July 1st. All right, I have 4 spots left. If you'd like to work with me, send me an email. I'll leave the link below. Let's do it, baby, and I will teach you everything you need to know about being a healthy, happy, functioning member of society and also being raw. Okay, because I'm not asking you to quit your job. I'm not asking you to stop hanging out with your friends. I hang out with only people that are eating cooked food. Okay, I don't have any raw vegan friends. That's the damn truth. And I'll show you how to do it in 2024, the easy, simple, delicious way. I love you, boo. I'll see you soon. Bye.